Hey guys, Adrian here from Launch TV and welcome back to the channel. We are here today at Universal Studios Florida, if you couldn't tell by the giant globe behind me, to cover the final day of operation of Woody Woodpecker's KidZone. And I know you have a lot of choices in vloggers, and I am oh so grateful that you chose me into taking this journey. And I know there's a lot of people here because I've seen a lot of cameras, but this video isn't so much for content reasons, this is more for memories, as this is one of my favorite theme park lands, and it going away hurts my heart a lot. But I'm very excited to be here for the final day because I wasn't able to do the final day of Shrek last year, and it kind of hurt me a little bit. But today I know I'm going to be joined with some amazing friends. We're going to have a great time, and I can't wait to say farewell to KidZone. And now, before walking through these gates and going into Universal Studios Florida, I just want to say that over in City Walk, put a clip over so you guys can see it right now, they have painted over where it used to say "Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort." It is now completely blue. Kind of cool. Who knows if that sign is going to come back or if that was just the end of an era. But now it is time to enter the park itself, and let's go have some fun, guys. Here comes the first person that is going to join us on our journey today. It is Lexi. Very excited.
You better put this in right now.
Alright, it's in the video already.
Give thumbs up to me. And just saying.
Oh, hello kid. Look at the backpack. Remember?
See it in? Go check the video.
I'll link it on top. But right now we have to go over to KidZone to go watch DreamWorks Destinations because we only have another 30 minutes of it. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, the sign is there. We are walking to DreamWorks Destination for the final time. This is kind of very sad altogether. Just encompassing all these emotions is very difficult. But I might, even though it's cold, I might go down this water slide one last time. All right, it's not gonna take much convincing for me to go down that water slide.
You're right, but do it.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Just like Nike says. Just do it.
Oh, they have characters outside today. They have King Julian and the penguins.
Oh, so cute.
Too bad we can't go see them because we're going inside of DreamWorks Destination. But it's really cool to see them. If you want to see Julian, don't worry, he's not going very far. He's going to be over at Island still. So there's a positive. Also, I want to apologize because I never met Shrek. I'm really sorry, guys. And that was our goodbye to DreamWorks Destination, but we still have a few more things to say goodbye to. Also, Jake was there. I know you probably saw him earlier. But now we're gonna go into Curious George Goes to Town. We're not gonna get wet. It's too cold to get wet.
Yeah.
And I think the water's off.
No,
It's off?
It is.
Oh, no
Yeah.
it's not. Someone's shooting water guns.
If you do want to see a video of us getting wet,
Oh yeah,
go
the-
to our
water
wet
park,
ride
the
video.
water
The
ride
wet
video?
ride
Yeah, when we
the
did
water
every
ride.
water ride here in the park. Check that out. But let's get in there. Let's go have some fun. Let's go say goodbye to Curious George. So many wondrous memories here. Jake loves this place right here the most.
Yeah.
Cause, oh, it's off. It's okay. But it's amazing. I'm gonna miss this place so much. Is this one on? It's not on. A lot of the water effects are off. Yeah, it's probably the weather. But everyone's favorite feature here, the ball factory. We're about to get shot. I got hit in the head. I just got scoped in the head with this little girl up here. Ah. Alright guys, it is now time to do something that we've kind of been prolonging. We are going to go into Fievel's Playland and, well, go down the water slide for the final time. So, let's go do it.
Oh, we caught up with Xavier.
I know you guys miss him.
I dare you.
You dare me to do what?
I dare you to put your head.
One last time. Hold the camera. Where? Right here?
Yes.
I'll do
Oh!
it through one last time.
How does it feel?
Cool.
I think we can't just get our heads wet.
No, no.
Water slide.
Let's go.
These are the things we're gonna miss here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is how I like to spend my time. Yeah. Me and the boys.
Me and the boys, wet heads and all.
Yeah.
That's fun. Look at Jake.
What?
He said, "Welcome to the Mad Tea Party." I don't know if you can hear him because there's a super loud speaker right here, but look at him hitting the meanest gritty of 2023. All right, let's go do the slide. All right, so Jake and I are gonna go down the slide. Xavier and Lexi are gonna wait, unless Xavier wants to come down.
Xavier cannot, he has to, you know, he cannot have a cold.
He cannot have a cold. I can get a cold, he can get a cold.
Yeah.
But it's fine. She's gonna record us coming down for the last time, so in like a couple seconds, like a 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Nice job.
Yeah.
My hat fell off.
Hey, you're right.
You're
I felt it came off like right when we hit the bump. I was like, oh no, my hat.
Oh, so sad. Nice job.
Oh man. Where's the egg? Oh, it's
This
right here.
way.
One last time, Ball Factory. Thank you. Goodbye. You've been amazing. Thank you for all the memories. And as for you, Curious George Goes to Town, all together, I will miss you, including that annoying seal that just stopped. But I'm excited for the future, the very near future. We'll see what's gonna happen. And if you guys haven't figured it out yet, we have one thing left to do here at KidZone. And well, Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. One last little trip through the queue here. Yeah. We got some product testers coming through. It's us. Also, here's some off-ride footage, you know? From underneath the track, who'd have thought?
Yeah, it's gonna fall off.
That's crazy. Alright guys, welcome to the laugh path, and let's have some fun pulling some... Oh, it's not working? Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Oh, no, 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 no. 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 Yes. No. Well. Oh man, physical pain, emotional pain.
You need a promotion? I can pull some strings.
There you go. There's one that works. There we go, guys. We're ready for our final ride. Well, maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, here we go. Maybe. Getting ready. Very sad. Very happy. But here comes a ride vehicle. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so a little bit of time has passed because we are trying to be the last people to get on Woody Woodpecker today. Also, I'm not in my jacket anymore because Lexi's very cold, so she needed my jacket, so she's wearing my jacket. But it is currently 8:24, about to be 8:30. So we're attempting to be the last riders, or at least the last group of people to get on to Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. So fingers crossed. It's actually really cold. See how it goes. And here we go, guys. For the last time, we are walking into Woody Woodpecker's KidZone because after today, it will be no more. And now you probably hear it in my voice, but kind of sad. Just being honest with you. Five O's Playland, thank you for all the memories. Thank you for all the water slide, trips and falls. Thank you for all the water. You were clearly one of my favorite parts of KidZone. You'll be remembered forever, man. Especially since you've been here the longest out of everything that's leaving, so thank you for everything. Thank you. Yeah. After saying goodbye to Fievel, I must also say goodbye to DreamWorks Destination, which was once home to where my childhood was. Barney. Barney's Theater, Day in the Park with Barney. I'm truly gonna miss this place a lot. This is literally where I came for my first ever theme park visit. I'm gonna miss you. Thank you for the memories. I wish your statue was still there, but it's not. One day we'll see Barney again. It'll be a glorious day for all of us. But yeah, like I was saying, thank you for all the memories. Truly will never be forgotten. A lot of things like Echo Rock that's gone. The bathrooms that were completely terrifying and creepy. Never forget them. Goodbye, Echo Rock. We're gonna just go in here real quick. I know you don't echo as much as you used to, but I still love you. And we're gonna keep going. I'm filming. But yeah, and as we start exiting, Curious George Goes to Town. I probably spent so much time here. I would come here every time when it was open, go to the ball factory, play in the water. This was the life. Thank you. And finally, to the piece de resistance, my first ever roller coaster, Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. We're here to close out the night with you. We love you. Thank you. All right, guys, it's time for our final ride on Woody Woodpecker's Nut House Coaster. Man, I'm gonna miss this. It's crazy. But here's the line. There's Jake. He's a little stressed, but it's okay. But yeah, a whole lot of fun. Well, Jake, we weren't the last ones, but so much good feeling right now. We're here for our final ride of Woody Woodpecker. We're not the last riders, but we're in the last group. And man, amazing. I'm going to have real tears. Woo! Yeah!
Oh! Whoa! Let's go.
Oh man.
Oh, we were close.
That's fine.
I think we're like the second.
Guess who?
Let's go! Woo!
Oh man.
Guess who?
Oh man.
Yeah, I think we were the second to last.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah!
There we go. Everybody salute.
Goodbye, Woodies.
Oh, the perfect. Oh, wait, you have.
Are the team members running?
All right, guys, and that's a wrap. Thank you for all the memories, KidZone. It was fun.
Surreal.
Yeah.
Very surreal.
It's sentimental. We know the coaster's saying, we know Xavier's saying, but that's all we know. Who knows what's gonna happen here? Walls are probably gonna go up tomorrow morning. They're probably gonna go up in a few hours. But we have to get out of here. Thank you, KidZone. Thank you, DreamWorks Destination. Thank you, Barney, because I didn't get to say thank you before. Thank you, Fievel, for letting me go down your water slide.
The playground, Curious George, the ball
everything,
pit,
everything.
everything.
Thank you for all the
KidZone.
memories. Universal, I know you're gonna do a great job with whatever comes here. So, keep it up. Jake had to get a be real.
It was perfect.
Perfect, down to the last minute detail. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite attraction was here at KidZone and what you think's coming here.
To the end of an era.
To the end of an era. Subscribe if you guys already haven't done so, and
Sex with my dudes.